the YouTube channel of SRT. This video that we have made today is surely going to bring some smile on your face. And yes, you've guessed it right. I am here today to discuss the omitted portion of social sciences for Standard 10 SSC Board for the academic year 2021. So come, let's begin with it. Okay students, so now let's begin with the entire process. So I'll be discussing the omitted portion for history, political science and geography with you all, but we'll first start with history and political science. Okay, so there's been like a lot of negativity going on because of the current pandemic, okay, but there is some kind of good news for you all, and that good news actually turns out to be a really big one in case of history and political science. Okay, now if you see the omitted portion for your history subject, out of these 9 chapters which are listed in the textbook, chapter number 4 and chapter number 6 has been completely omitted by the board for you all. Now if you see, these 2 chapters turn out to be the biggest ones in the textbook, and I would also say, being a social science teacher, that these were the most difficult ones for the students to learn, as it contains like a lot of names to be memorized. Okay, so you got saved and you turned out to be a lucky one. Okay, moving ahead. Now the omitted portion for political science, there are 5 chapters in all which are listed in your textbook. Now out of that, the last chapter, which is challenges faced by Indian democracy, has been completely omitted. So for political science, you all will be doing only 4 chapters. Now if I sum up, there are a total of 14 chapters in the textbook, out of which this year you all are going to be studying only 11 chapters. Now this is applicable only for the academic year 2021, and that's particularly because of the COVID situation. So with this, we end with the discussion on the omitted portion for history and political science. Thank you. Okay students, so after seeing what's been cancelled for history and political science, we'll now move ahead with geography. So in history and PS, they had actually cancelled the entire chapter for y'all, but in geography, the case is not same. They have cancelled particular parts within the chapter. So I would suggest that you all have a textbook and a pencil with you all. So as in when I keep giving you all the cancellations, you all can do the same in your textbook. So for your reference, will be really good later on. Okay, so chapter number 1 on page number 2, there are 2 questions which are cancelled. The first question over here, what precautions, and the one which is given below, which is correlate pulse cropping. These 2 questions on page number 2 have been cancelled. Moving ahead, page number 3, the first question over there that you have giving information regarding the multi-purpose projects, that's been cancelled, and the last question given below, that is also cancelled. Okay, so on page number 7, the 2 questions which are given below, they are cancelled, and on page number 8, below the image of Alibag beach, the 3 questions, all 3 have been cancelled. So that's about chapter number 1's cancellations. Okay students, so on page number 10, just above the map, you have with the help of figure 2.1, so you'll cancel from there till east longitudes on the other side, and after that leave 2 lines and again observe figure 2.1. From there you cancel till the end, which is notebook. On next page, which is page number 11, the entire first table has been cancelled. Also on the right hand side, you have observe figure 2.2. Identify Brazil's neighboring countries and oceans. That entire table is again cancelled for you all. Okay, on page number 12, now if you see, you have show the following elements in figure 2.3. That part is entirely cancelled, which has 4 subparts. All of that is cancelled. Page number 13, give it a try, completely cancelled. So that's all from chapter number 2, location and extent. Moving on with chapter number 3, which is physiography and drainage. On page number 16, entire can you tell has been cancelled. Then page number 19 directly, entire try this has been cancelled. Okay, page number 27, which is chapter number 4, climate now for you all. On 27, can you tell has been cancelled with all its subparts, and give it a try is also cancelled. Page number 28, again, can you tell is cancelled with all its questions. Nothing you all have out of this section of can you tell. Okay, page number 29, use your brain power. You have to cancel that entirely. Page number 31, give it a try, cancel it off. There are two give it a try. Both the give it a tries are cancelled. Moving on to chapter number 5 now, natural vegetation and wildlife. On page number 35, try this, which is India's wildlife. That entire part is cancelled. Page number 36, give it a try and use your brain power. Both these parts are again cancelled. Okay. Coming to chapter number 6, which is population, page number 39, use your brain power is cancelled, and on page number 40, give it a try is cancelled. So now till now, if you all have seen, there are no question answers as such which are cancelled. Okay, so you all must be thinking कि ये सब cancel होने से क्या होएगा. Now there are these small objective type of questions which are usually asked from these give it a try, use your brain power, can you tell. So those kinds of questions have been eliminated. Apart from that, the question answers that you all learn, you'll have to learn it as it is. Okay, chapter number 6 we continue. Page number 41, try this is entirely cancelled. Over there below you will find it, and on page number 43, use your brain power is cancelled. Chapter number 6, again on page number 44, you have try this, you have use your brain power and give it a try. All these three parts are cancelled on page number 44. Moving on to chapter number 7, which is human settlements. On page number 46, think about it. You have to cancel that part, and let's recall also entirely cancelled with that table which is given to you. Page number 47, again there is a try this, so you have to cancel that. You all don't have to study that try this over there. Okay, coming to page number 50, you have use your brain power, so again you will cancel that. Okay, so that was all from chapter number 7. Moving to chapter number 8, which is economy and occupations. Initially towards the start you have give it a try, so you cancel that off, which has a graph there. Then you have try this, cancel it. Then below you have on the basis of the information shown, all of that again you have to cancel, and let's recall also you have to cancel. So on that particular page is hardly anything that you have to actually study. Page number 53, think about it, you will cancel, and make friends with maps also you will cancel along with the table which is given below. Moving on to page number 55 now, let's recall is cancelled again over there, and give it a try with those images. Everything is cancelled for you. Page number 56, again that try this is cancelled. Chapter number 8 we continue. On page number 58 you have use your brain parts. That entire thing again is cancelled. Moving on to the last chapter of your textbook, which is tourism, transport and communication. Page number 61, try this is cancelled and can you tell is cancelled. So both these parts are cancelled on page number 61 entirely. Page number 63, that entire map is cancelled, so you don't need to study the map at all. And after that below you have think about it, so that entire think about it is also cancelled. We continue with chapter number 9 on page number 65. You have give it a try, so that is cancelled, and below that you have try this, that is also cancelled for you all, and that try this is getting continued on page number 66 towards the start, so that also is cancelled till the word in minutes. Okay, moving to page number 67, think about it, there's just one question which is given, so that question is also cancelled for you all. Thank you.
So I hope this particular video must have cleared all your doubts regarding the omitted portion of social sciences. And if you liked our content, please do like and subscribe on the YouTube channel of SRT. Also click the bell icon to get the latest updates of our channel. And if you want me to bring in any more content related to social sciences, you can always comment it in the comment box below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Now I'll take your leave, but I'll be coming back soon.